So today we're going to introduce the MATLAB programming language, and we're going to use the program FreeMat, which is an open source free interpretation of implementation of the MATLAB programming language. Today we're going to focus on using the command window and not actually writing full programs, but just using the command window. Think of this as sort of a souped up calculator. In the command window, you can do things like 3 plus 4 and get an answer for it. You can do 5 times 7 plus 3 times 2. What do you think that would be? What should the answer be? Will it do order of operations? In fact, it does. 35 plus 6 is 41. So the command window knows the correct order of operations. If you do 4 plus 3 to the third, you get 31, 4 plus 27. Command window also has things like pi. We can also say x equals 17, y equals 13, and then do x times y, get 221. Or we could say z equals x times y. So z is 221. Notice we come over here to this window. The variables can show up over here. So we have the last answer is always recorded as A and S. We have those 3 variables, x, y, and z, that have been recorded. For the command window, we can use, CLC, and I can write clear all, and it clears all the variables out, and we start fresh. There are a lot of functions available. Y equals sine of 2.6. Now notice, what if I do x equals sine of 2.6 and I put a semicolon after it? Right? Notice that when I didn't put a semicolon, it showed y equals 0.5155. When I put the semicolon after x, it didn't show anything, but if you look over here, x was recorded. That semicolon in a language like Java or a language like C or C++ tells you that's the end of the line. In MATLAB and FreeMat and Octave and other implementations of the MATLAB language, semicolon means suppress the output. Do the computation, but don't show the output on the screen. But I can still do this, right? And it'll display x. Or I can say display x, and it will just give me 0.5155 without saying answer equals that. So there's a lot of power here. The Java programming language allows you to do things like A equals and we can make one-dimensional arrays or matrices. We can also do A equals 1, 2, 3, semicolon 4, 5, 6, semicolon 7, 8, 9. Then I get a 3 by 3 array, and then I could say B equals -1, 2, -3, -4, 5, -6, -7, 8, -9. Now B is a 3 by 3 matrix, and then I can